How to use Descript Green screen. So hi guys, the first thing that we are going to do is to simply open our Descript here. So once you open Descript, we're going to start off with a new project. So say for example, we want to add a video with a person on it. So here in the right hand section, choose a file to transcribe, and then afterwards, I have uploaded a photo or a video of a person right here. Here in the left hand corner, you can actually see effects. Click on green screen, and then afterwards the video will be uploaded right here in the script. So once it has been downloaded, the next thing that you're going to do is just wait for the green screen to be applied. Once the green screen has been applied, you'll see the background has been blacked and it has been removed from the video basically. Now next thing is to click on the media here in the upper corner, and then I will go to images section. Now choose the photo that you would want to add onto your video, or you want to make a background. So say for example, we want to make this flower pollen a background to our video. Now all we need to do is to wait for it to download onto our video right here, and then afterwards when it shows up, what we are going to do next is that we are going to simply right click on that photo and then click on move backward. So when you click on move backward, you will see that the background has been added. So resize it. In the edges you can actually see circles, so just drag it. Now if you want to resize the video as well, you could do that by simply moving the cursor and resizing it using the point corners of the video. And that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful.